Areas of North Carolina's Piedmont and mountains are rich with gems and minerals hidden beneath the earth. The Hiddenite community there in Alexander County is home to Emerald Hollow, believed to be the world's only emerald mine open to the public for prospecting. And if you're lucky enough to find one, it's yours to keep. Teresa Litchke shows us what makes this a fascinating summer adventure.
How do we know there's emeralds? Why are there emeralds? Or why are there minerals so dense here to start with? There's about 65 different things you can find here. All these hills that are around us are the convergence of 5 hills that come together. So this area had to be incredibly active volcanically and just earthquakes. You would have had tremendous amount of ground movement. So those voids make room for sediment and clay to get into that makes it mineral rich that they can form and grow. It's got to have enough compression to form the crystal, but be loose enough to let water and minerals congregate in an area and it can expand in.
That's why gemstones are so prevalent in the red clay soil in Hiddenite, named after a man who put the town on the map.
Go all the way back to William Earl Hidden, who was the guy that Edison sent to find the new burn bright element for the light bulb, and they were looking for platinum. And North Carolina's got platinum, just not here. And it was an accident when they were digging and turning all this dirt over. A couple rainstorms come through. Next you know, you got this mineral glistening. No one knew what it was. He sent it off to France, had it identified as unknown mineral, spodumene, and named it after himself, Hiddenite.
That's in case we lose anybody, we got to know who's driving what.
Oh, okay.
Safety is always first, along with an adventure like no other.
Once we get you signed in, you have access to the entire property all day. You can leave, go get lunch, come back. Your permit's good all day.
We're going to do the mining part first, and then after that, we'll go down to the creek.
And typically what we tell people is go to the dig site first. It's the hardest, especially if you get here early. Spend your first couple hours there. We'll educate you what you need to know. Then ease out of it. Go to the creek, relax, it's nice, and then end up at the sluiceway before you go home. We provide everything. Our shovels are all over here with buckets.
We are mining for rubies, emeralds, gemstones.
It's very personal. It depends. Some people come in looking for something specific like tourmaline. We had a guy find almost 2 pounds in a vein. Other people hunt the emeralds.
Gems.
Yeah, emeralds, yeah.
We will teach them everything we know about the emeralds and the signs we know.
The sparkly stuff is the mica. Just remember what that means. That was clay. When it got heated, it turned it to mica. So if you want to find the gemstones, you have to bring dirt down here with mica in it. Why?
The number of people finding those special stones may surprise you.
Many, on a regular basis. It's the only active emerald mine, the only one in the entire world that you can come into and actually dig. But we try to guide them in areas where we think they're going to have the best chance too. So anything you find, you keep.
Another way to mine is directly in the creek.
I don't know exactly what this is, but it's a cool rock.
That is a piece of dioptase. Dioptase is a copper-based mineral. It's a jasper. Anything that doesn't allow light into it is going to be a collection of a jasper.
Rose quartz, right here.
All right, inside secret. If you go to the end where it tees, this is where the sandbars end up. And then if you catch the sandbars and rinse them in, that's where you're going to find stuff that acts like a trap.
Last stop is the sluiceway to wash off the dirt and reveal the treasures you've found.
Oh my goodness.
Even if you can't or don't want to mine the old-fashioned way, you can purchase enriched buckets that already contain amazing stones.
The goal is to create a space here for everybody in the family, grandparents all the way down.
We're excited.
Some people can't navigate down here. Some people can't navigate to the dig site. So it's important for us to create space for them too. Even our sluiceway has sections we can take out for wheelchairs.
Look at these crystals.
And have a full experience, have full interaction with everybody, get an education on what you're doing, and enjoy it at the same time.
Emerald Hollow Mine is located at 484 Emerald Hollow Mine Drive in Hiddenite. They're open 8:30 a.m. till 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and 8:30 till 6 on weekends. For more information, give them a call at 828-632 3394.